bad you don't have an eye.
There's our wood pile for the next couple of years.
Too bad you don't have an eye. You could have
It just got delivered, covered with a top mostly.
You said you wouldn't have an eye. Yeah, but I was thinking of for this.
Snow doesn't show up blowing around quite as much as you'd think it would. There's our cars in the driveway.
And I have one, but I don't know, maybe no.
Really beautiful. It's like the whole world's been just washed clean.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I didn't. Thank you.
Every time I see a big gust of wind, I get the camera ready and then I miss it.
She's talking to the camera.
There's a house across the street with the smoke coming out of their chimney.
She'll post this for her friends.
We're over my mom's house playing a game of cards, just killing the day. I'll take a look over here. There's my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
There's my old man.
Yo.
And we are playing a game of rivalry cards, and currently, let's
Look at that. You're taking my cards. You're looking at my cards.
Looks like I'm ahead. Notice Don's little golf pen.
I'll be last.
Here's a picture of my daughter's dog. Hey, Lexi. Hi, sweetie. Who's a good girl?
Oh, boy.
Are you a good girl, Lexi? She's 8 years old, but she still looks like a puppy. Let's go see if we can get another gust of wind outside. No, the snow's not too impressive right now. We probably got about 20 inches, which is actually one of the lower totals around here. Portland, Maine broke their all-time record in recorded history of snowfall. But this is Maine, folks. Pine trees and snow. Yeah, there we go. Look at that snow blowing around. Woo! Anyway, just wanted to let y'all know what it was like out here. They say it was the worst at 5 o'clock this morning. They even pulled all the plows off the road. Let's try looking out a different window. Let's check this out over here. This is on the side of our house. It's still snowing. Not for too much longer, though.
It's supposed to snow the rest of the day, Dad.
Yeah? Oh, hubby just said it's supposed to snow for the rest of the day. But I guess we were sleeping during the most exciting part of it all this morning around 5 o'clock. Well, see you later. Bye-bye from Maine.